Alright guys, we're here at the Vision Miner showroom and we got something really special cooking up in the printer for you today. Check it out. Alright, so we didn't really 3D print this, but today we're partnered with Aerial Media Pros to give away a drone because we love drones, we love 3D printers, they love 3D printers, and most of all, we love our fans, you guys. You've been following us for the last year, and we just wanted to give something back for all your awesome comments and your liking our stuff and spreading and sharing our videos. We love you guys, we wouldn't be here without you. And we're giving away this drone. This is a DJI Spark. It's a $500 drone. It's amazing. You don't even need a controller to run it. So click the link or enter your email below. Follow our Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and you'll be entered to win this drone. We're giving it away next week, so be sure to enter your stuff down below. And for every person that signs up using your special link after you've signed up, you'll get a bonus entry. So the more times you share, the more entries you'll get. So be sure to tell all your friends who love 3D printers and drones and enter to win. We'll see you on the other side.